Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I will share with you how to create an impression with your hot foiling dies. I created two backgrounds here. They look like they have been impressed with embossing folder, I think. So I think that is a fun look to get, and this is a good way to stretch your supply. And I will share also how to cut those balloons out. So this is a really large set from Trinity stamps. By the way, all of the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below in the description box, so you have that. I was just planning out my card here. I wanted this super large celebrate die set, and what I love about Trinity's hot foiling plates is that they most often comes with both the word die, the shadow, and then the hot foiling, so they all coordinate together. So here is the hot foiling plate that looks exactly the same as the celebrate that I cut out, and you can see I'm just taking some low post-it tape to hold it in place when I'm running through my die cutting machine. And here is the sandwich I used. I used one of the plates from the hot foiling system, the shim there, an embossing mat, and then a cutting plate on top. And then I cut my panel down to fit on top of a standard A2 size card front. By the way, the panel I'm using is a cream colored one, and then I will adhere this with some dimension, some foam dimension here. I just love using dimension on my card. I think it always turns out a little bit better when you use this on the back. So here you can see how everything looks and how much that impression shines through. We will cover up a little bit of this using that celebrate that I took the time to also raise up with some foam adhesive to the back. And then our balloons that I cut out, I will not use all of them. I will save the most of them for another project, but I just wanted some variation to play around with for my card. And this will be actually a masculine birthday card. I will send it out to some persons, or one person that is celebrating his birthday really soon. So I wanted this, and I wanted it to be classy and nice. Just use some shimmer here to have sort of a shadow. And to the back side I took some strings of gold twine and just cut away the exits so the balloon has some strings. I think that also finish off the card nicely. So this is one of my favorite die sets from Trinity Stamps. It's called Cut and Foil Maple Leaf, and it was released last year. So I run it through a couple of times, creating my background pattern here, and this is really easy to do. My technique is just to start in the middle and then fill out the rest of the gaps. And then I took some inks and just used it around my maple leaves here, and you can see how much dimension they get and how well they stand out. You could use your regular dies to do this as well, but I think it's a more nice result with your hot foiling plates. You can see the lines are really thick, so I encourage you to use this. I wanted some black splatters, and I have been obsessed with this technique lately, just taking some paste. I have some rainbow paste here, and I am just going to town using a tool here that is good for making flowers. You can use the back of a brush or something like that if you want to do something similar. I have done this a lot with gold, but I think it's nice to mix it up, and this is really a nice alternative. In this spring, this really cute Happy Mother's Day set was released, and I decided to go ahead and use it for this fall card as well, and just say Happy Day. A really neutral card that you can use for any occasion. And I used some vellum for the shadow and some gold for the letters, and I also raised it up using some foam, so you have some nice dimension. And then I glued it actually flat down to my card, and that pretty much finished off our two projects for today. I hope you got inspired to use your hot foiling plates in a different way, and if you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumb up, and considering subscribing to my channel, it would make me super happy. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!